In the ongoing battle against drug trafficking, law enforcement agencies are on the front lines, risking everything to dismantle networks that threaten our community. Here are 5 big drug busts caught on camera.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
On September 20th, 2024, Volusia deputies were called for a disabled vehicle. It was reported that the 30-year-old passenger was inside kicking the windshield. Watch what happened next.
He's definitely on something.
I copy that.
Hey, what's going on, man? You take anything?
Your mom?
Hey, what's going on, man? Here. Hey, relax, man. Relax. Sit in the car real quick, okay? Sit in the car real quick. Hey, hold on.
When this deputy made contact, the suspect kicked him and began struggling as the deputy worked to take him into custody.
Can you step back for me? Relax. 44 Central, give me the channel. Stop. Give me your other hand. Give me your hand. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back now.
In the vehicle, deputies found 1.5 kilograms of MDMA and 1 kilogram of amphetamine. During a follow-up search warrant at the suspect's house, detectives recovered more trafficking amounts of drugs, including 2.5 kilograms of MDMA, along with 11 firearms. The 30-year-old was charged with armed drug trafficking with intent to sell, resisting arrest with violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. On May 26, 2022, in Indiana, this officer conducted a routine traffic stop on a semi-truck, but it took a wild turn. Watch what happens.
You got registration, sir? Yes, sir. So you driving for a friend? Yeah, my friend's the owner. Owner of PRP? Yeah, the owner of PRP. Is he in here? No, it's the song. Team driver? Let me see. Hey, I'm Ali. Hello. How you doing? You guys are team drivers?
No, this the new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck? Okay. Showing him how to do it? Is that what he said? He's here to do it.
After checking the documentation, the officer went back to the truck and ordered they get out so he can perform a search.
Hey man, anything illegal inside the truck? Huh? Look at my social truck in the trailer. Let's go back there and hang out with him for a few minutes.
The officer entered the truck ready for anything, but he still didn't expect to find this. Once he saw what he had found, the officer immediately turned around and went back to detain the driver and his friend.
Huh? Yes, sir. Turn around. Right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda.
During the search, the trooper discovered approximately 52 kilograms of cocaine, which was located in the sleeper berth. The estimated street value of the cocaine is $2 million. The driver was arrested and charged with dealing and possession of narcotics.
I got somebody else coming.
On September 18, 2022, deputies came across a man asleep in his car at a gas station parking lot where they had intended to conduct a routine traffic stop.
Sheriff's office. Hey, Sheriff's office. Right here. You okay? What's going on?
As they approached the vehicle, the officers reported smelling marijuana, prompting a more thorough investigation.
Okay, well, there's no need for an attitude. You okay?
I don't have no attitude.
Huh?
I don't have an attitude.
Okay.
I stopped to take a nap and.
Okay.
And, damn, I forgot I passed out behind the gas station. I asked the guy, I stopped, and I was like, man, let me take a nap out back.
The guy from the gas station or the vehicle, the auto shop?
No, not the bottle shop, the dude at the gas station. And he's
Okay.
like, we'll be here like 11 or 12. And I was like, all right, I'll just take a nap for like an hour, and after like 3 o'clock, I guess.
I got you. Sorry. Try not to blind you. What's your first name?
Justin?
Justin?
Yeah.
Do you have a middle initial?
Huh?
Middle initial? Middle name?
Middle initial? Oh,
Yeah.
mine.
It's not that hard. Unless you're trying to make up a name.
No, man. Well, I mean, why are y'all messing with me?
Huh?
I got permission to be here.
I don't know that. I got a call here about an alarm, checking out the property, making sure everything's secure, and I find you passed out in the passenger seat of the vehicle. And you're giving me a hard time of giving me your name. And it's past the hours of operations. It's not looking too good for you, bud, so.
Well, I mean, what time is it?
Oh, my watch is dead, but it's probably 3:30-ish.
3
Maybe.
in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
Good. God almighty.
Yeah.
Oh,
So what's your middle name?
can I get myself together? Like, my name's Will. I don't know what. Like,
Justin?
No. Wilson.
Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
Do me a favor, Wilson. Keep your hands up on that dash. Nope. Sit up. Sit up. Keep your hands on that dash where I can see them. You understand?
During their search, the deputies not only found marijuana, but also uncovered a staggering amount of fentanyl, which they claim was sufficient to potentially cause fatal overdoses for the entire population of Flagler.
Holy.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey.
That's a lot of fentanyl. Huh? A bunch of fentanyl.
Okay.
This trooper was patrolling the area of Interstate 40 when she observed a black SUV traveling too close to another vehicle in front of him, so she initiated a traffic stop.
How's it going? Hey, my name's Trooper Rescue. I'm with Arkansas State Police. The reason I made contact with you is you're following too close to that vehicle. The window tint's dark as well. You have a driver's license? Alright, let me have you hop out and come over here to my car, okay? Do you have any weapons?
No.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland, but I live in Texas.
You live in Texas? Okay.
The trooper felt a strong odor of marijuana coming from the car, and she asked him about it.
How much marijuana do you have in the trunk? Or how much marijuana do you have on you, period? You don't have no marijuana on you? Sure. Is there any shake or anything? When's the last time you smoked in there?
I haven't smoked.
It smells like marijuana.
I haven't smoked in there, man. I swear.
And whose vehicle is it?
My brother's vehicle.
It's your brother's?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you headed to right now?
The trooper detained the suspect so she could perform a search on his vehicle.
Yeah. Nah, she said the car smelled like weed. And she's calling for backup.
While searching the vehicle, in the rear seat, the officer saw a few boxes labeled promethazine. Troopers located 35 boxes with 12 bottles in each one of them. The driver of the SUV refused to speak in reference to this incident. He was charged with possession of prohibited drugs and use of another person's property to facilitate a crime.
Could you step out of the car for me for just a minute?
This officer conducted a traffic stop on a driver for an illegal turn, but when he was walking up to the car, he could smell marijuana.
They got any weapons?
The driver stated he had just put a blunt out, so the officer detained him and performed a search on his vehicle.
Oh, my Lord. Do I? That's some. I don't know if there's more. Oh my God.
While performing the search, the officer found drugs, a firearm, and $15,000 in cash. The driver was charged with drug trafficking, possession of a firearm, and driving with a suspended license. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.